another video. Today we are cleaning up our backyard, so we will be outside. We are borrowing my papa's pressure washer to pressure wash the side of our house. This is kind of what it's looking like right now. Just very dirty, very gross. I am actually the one who wants to pressure wash it. I like pressure washing, so that's what we're gonna do. Thanks. Look at me, y'all.
I'm more worried about our car.
That's right.
Yes, please. Get closer.
Look at those lines from dirty to washed. I'm a mess, y'all. I'm absolutely a mess. Hopefully this is satisfying, because it is very satisfying for me. Oh! Okay, now I'm just trying to push all of the dirty water into the grass. I've got mud on my face, Mud on the camera, mud on the tripod. Like,
would you disconnect it from?
I'm a mess. The house looks so much better. Now I am the one that is dirty. I have to get cleaned up. My feet are really bad. I'll make fun of my toes though, y'all. Look at that mess. Now it's time to show y'all the after of the house. Okay, looky there. No green, no brown. It's looking good. This was honestly some of the worst of the house, and it looks so much better. Obviously not perfect, but I made do and it looks good. We even got this side nice and clean. I even did over there on that side of the fence. And then y'all saw the sidewalk. I am not gonna do this part because the dogs are just in here all the time and I know they're just gonna get it re-dirty very quickly. So I just left this part. But I'm so glad we did it because it was bad. So I'm gonna go get cleaned up, take a good shower. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was somewhat satisfying or something, I don't really know. If you guys enjoyed, we do a lot of other outdoor activities. Make sure you go check out our other videos and subscribe so that you can see our upcoming adventures. Deuces!